All right, guys, got another special one. 1993 Chevy 454 SS. One bad truck, guys. Unfortunately, it already sold. She still has the factory window sticker. Check that out. In 93, she went for $21,299. That's awesome. Let's check out the interior. I used to have an OBS truck, and these dashes are infamous for cracking. Look how beautiful she is. Excellent condition. And there she is. She's beautiful, guys. And let's check out this 1971 Chevy Chevelle RSSS model. Convertible. Bucket seats, console. She bad, guys. And the Camaro right beside it, which this one already been on the channel. She bad. Interior nice and clean. Minor discoloration on the seat belts, but that's no big deal. Check out the mileage. A little over 75,000. Dash is in excellent shape.